Okay. So let me start. So we are recording this session, but it's just for us, Vincent. It's just for us to understand. So, okay. So maybe we can start understanding the very basic information, and then we can go through the email. Okay, Pelayo?
Yeah. After that, we
Okay.
can share the second lesson too, but let's start with this presentation.
Okay. So, this is what I have.
You're not sharing now. You're not sharing
No?
anymore.
Oh.
No. If you want me, I've got the presentation with me.
I'm saying now?
Yeah, you are.
Yes.
Okay. So we can use these slides, but you can add all the information that you consider is relevant or important, because I took this, but I don't know if you want to start from this one or whatever. We are here just to understand the process.
Yes, we have because it's the slides it PowerPoint file is very basic. How the shrimp industry get up. We have process of shrimp production. Just a comment, just a small comment, because Asia shrimp industry may be a little bit different to Latin America. So this basic for Asia. So the first, I want to Asia, Vietnam, like industrial shrimp farming, high technology shrimp farming. This model for high techno. So they have 3 sections. We have hatchery. In Latin America, I know it integrated. That means the production have their own hatchery, their own hatchery, their own farm, production farm, and also their own processing plant. But in Vietnam, we have 3 segments differentiated. So we have hatchery. They sell the PL, that means the baby shrimp, the farmer, and the farmer will raise the shrimp to the market side and sell to the processing plant. So the processing plant process the shrimp and export. So that is the basic in the higher level. That means overview the industry in Vietnam. So we have hatchery, we have grower pond, and processing. And now MSD, we serve hatchery and also grower farmer.
Yeah, we are selling products to hatcheries and grow out.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, and sometimes I know the differences with Ecuador is sometimes in Ecuador the process is integrated, so the same company is doing hatchery, grow out, and they are processing. But at the end, they need to use the products, even they are managing everything.
Yes.
And the other big difference is the density.
Yes.
I understand that in Ecuador, they don't have the same level of density that you have in APSA.
Yeah.
This is the, okay. Clear.
Yes. Yeah. So we have hatchery and we have also grower pond. So that target customer of our product. Yeah. If you had any question or something in this slide, can discuss more.
So
it's okay on my side. Yeah.
My only question is, in this case, for the hatchery and the grow out, the water.
Yes.
The water at the hatchery is coming from where?
Yes. For the technically, the hatchery have to have the saline water, because the stock and the PL, normally they love the saline water. That means the salinity have 30 ppt. But for the grower pond, you can see everywhere in the Vietnam, just nearby the sea, or even in very low salinity, even 5 ppt, they can raise the shrimp. So the difference between hatchery and grow pond is hatchery, especially in Vietnam, just very concentration, just some area in Vietnam, they can hatchery successfully, not as the grower. So because the PL is very sensitive, they love the sandy water. But when the shrimp bigger and bigger, they can
So
they can
the
live.
salinity, sorry.
Yes, please.
No, the salinity level in the grow out is low.
The range, the suitable range from the shrimp is 5 to, I think, 35, very wide. But the optimum, the optimum salinity is around 10 to 25 or 27. It's the best condition for the shrimp. But in Vietnam, we have some area with 2-3 ppt salinity, and even in the summer, some area have very 35 or even 40 ppt, so very saline. Yes.
And the salinity is not good.
No, the salinity is good because it bring mineral to the shrimp. But the side effect or the negative effect is Vivio. Vivio love the saline water. So if high salinity, we will treat, that means the bacteria, bad bacteria. But low salinity is mineral deficiency. So yeah.
So this is number 3.
Yes, you can see almost this in maybe in central of Vietnam, we have nearby the sea. You can see the pond of Vietnamese pond, and almost our customer almost it's liner pond. You know the liner pond. They have the plastic liner cover the pond bottom and the pond edge. Different from Ecuador, Latin America.
Yeah.
They have the earthen pond, so very big one, 1 hectare, 2 hectare, or even 10 hectare per pond. But in Vietnam, and now just 1,000 square meter or 2,000 square meter per pond. That is the counter pond. So you can see here in the typical pond in Vietnam. Here we have water treatment. You can see in the right. Okay, the pond in the right is the water treatment, the sedimentation, the chlorination or something. So they treat the water. They pump the water outside and have to treat to disinfect, kill the carrier or something, and they pump to the counter pump. You can see the counter pump with air blower and part that wheel in the surface, at the surface, and you can see the small one, the blue one, the green one here. We have the nursery. We have the nursery because now in Vietnam we have multi phases production, not just the hatchery go to the pond. So in the first month, they have the very carefully take care the shrimp. So they in the small tank, very small tank, easy to manage, easy to control the water quality. So when the shrimp bigger, they can stop to the bigger pond. Yeah.
So I have one question. The hatchery, in the hatchery, they send the baby shrimp to the grow out.
Yes.
But at the beginning, you have the baby shrimp in this nursery.
Yes.
And then they are transferred to the grow out.
Yes.
Okay. So do we treat the baby shrimp at the nursery? when they arrive from the hatchery?
Yes, we have some
Ah.
protocol for disinfect, for
Mhm.
anti-stress, or acclimation, etc. So we have because the post lab, the baby shrimp come from the hatchery. It take
Ah,
up to 12 or 20 hours from the hatchery to the
yeah,
pond. So they have acclimate the PL before the
yeah,
stocking, and we have vitamin, mineral, or something. We have that.
yeah. Okay. So then we have hatchery. We have products to treat shrimp, baby shrimp at the hatchery. Then the hatchery is moving to the nursery. We treat them at the nursery after 20 hours of arriving from the hatchery or maybe more. And then when they are moving from the nursery to the grow out ponds, we treat them again.
Yes, because MSD product in Vietnam, I said in Vietnam we have the full portfolio to support the shrimp
Yeah,
production from the
I
hatchery
know.
to the
Mm.
end of the crop. So every staff, that means transfer the shrimp from the hatchery to the farm,
Okay.
or from the nursery pond to the grower pond. We have some product to have the shrimp stronger or something.
Okay.
So we have full portfolio for that.
Okay.
Uh,
Pelayo, any question or should I move to the next one?
No, yes. I would like to ask a few questions too. Thank you, Marta. Is it relevant the size of the shrimp from the hatchery? So when it has to be any certain type of size from hatchery to nursery and from nursery to pond?
Yes, we have the standard from the hatchery, and normal one is the PL12. That means 12 days when the shrimp come to the PL. So in the hatchery, we have the cycle of hatchery around 21 days from the nupli, from the egg
Okay.
to the PL to sell to the farmer. So we have the standard. It's around 1.2, 1.1, 1.2 centimeter per PL, the length of the PL. So PL 12, yes.
Okay, so then it's 21 days in the hatchery. When it grows up to 1.2 centimeters,
Yes.
you put them in a truck for 20
Yes.
hours or so. Then they arrive to the grow out, and that you put them on
No, the
the
nursery.
on the nursery
Yes.
pool, yeah, which
Yes.
is in the grow out
Yes.
business. For how long?
Okay. Maximum 20, from hatchery to the farmer, maximum around 20 hours, because it depends.
Yeah, that's the trip,
Okay.
by truck or whatever,
So,
no?
yes. For the
Okay.
nursery, for duration in the nursery, it depends on the density, the stocking density in the nursery. So it varies from 2 weeks to maybe 4 weeks or 5 weeks.
Okay.
It depends. So it depends for
The density is the one which is going to measure that the density. Okay, from 2 to 5 weeks.
yes, from 2 to 5 weeks.
Okay.
It depends on density in the nursery, because
Okay.
yeah,
Okay.
the higher the shorter. Okay, the higher density, the shorter duration.
Do they grow up enough? Did you measure them before dropping them into the wider ponds?
Yes, we can do. How to say? Normally we have some the standard for this, because this depends on the stocking density or the biomass, the carrying capacity in the nursery we have. If the certain density and in how many days, it has to be how many gram, like this. We have the standard for this, and normally we have after 1 month or 3-4 weeks, we have around 1 gram or 2 gram per juvenile,
Okay.
and they can transfer to the pond.
Okay, you then transfer them to the pond, and how long do they stay there growing? until you go to market?
From nursery or from the beginning? From the nursery?
No, from when you drop them from the pond. It's straight from the pond. So from the nursery, they could be from 2 to 5 weeks, and then you put them in the pond. And then how long does it take the process to grow them up? And
it take around, for the full cycle, it take around 3 to 3.5 months. Get
okay.
big one. It depend on the size, market size.
Okay. That is the market who is asking for that.
Yeah.
Okay. So the whole process from hatchery to market, it's 3 to 4 months.
No.
Or it's
no. From just on the farm, just at the farm.
on the grow up. Okay. Understand. So okay. So it could be if we are starting from nursery, and nursery could take from 2 to 4 weeks, which is from half a month to 1 month. So in the pond, they can spend 2 to 3 months.
Yes. In the pond,
okay.
2 months to 2.5 months. Yes.
So total process is around 5 months. Since the hatchery, since the hatchery 20 days to 5 weeks at the nursery, and then between 3.5 months at the grow out on the pond. So between 3.5-4 months, more or less.
Yes, for
okay.
Typical,
okay.
Yeah, typical. Because it depends on because in the north we have very cold weather. The duration have to be prolonged. But for typical in Vietnam is just 3 to 3.5 months per crop.
Okay. So it depends on the weather too.
Yes.
So it can vary depending on the weather. Okay. And it depends what the market is buying. So depending on the size that the market is buying. Okay. That's another. It depends on the market, and depending on the market. Okay. And the last one. We have products for all the processes, from egg to market.
Yes. We have if we come to MSD, we have water treatment, we have nutrition, we have treatment cure the disease. So we have full portfolio in Vietnam. We have full portfolio, but it depends on the Latin America countries. I have no idea, but in Vietnam we have the full portfolio for shrimp farming. Yes.
Full portfolio. Okay, we're gonna call it full portfolio.
Yeah. Vincent, one question. When you have completed the process, and you after 3 or 4 months, we sell the shrimp to the process companies or whatever. So how long does it take since you finish one production and you start with another one? Is something that you can just clean the pond and start again, or do you need to wait before to start a new pond?
It depends on the farm, because they have to, if they own in, own out, they have to have the time to clean or to prepare. But some farm have some pond and always have the shrimp, baby shrimp or big shrimp, because they rotation the rotation the pond. So, but sure, if after the harvest, we have the protocol for cleansing or disinfect. How to we have, yes.
So there are farms that maybe they are producing once per year, other 3 per year, or maximum 4 per year.
We have average around 2.5 per year, or 2 to 2.5.
2.5 harvests.
Yes, 2 to 2.5 harvest crop per year.
Okay.
So it's not usual. Yeah. It's a relevant question too that Marta just asked. Sorry, Vincent. That how can you figure that? What's the percentage of farmers of grow out farms that do all in all out format versus these ones that have different sizes who just do more than one harvest a year or two harvests a year? What's the common farm you can find in Vietnam?
If we have the backyard, that means the small household.
Yes.
Just a few pond. We have just on in on out because they stop and they dry and they harvest one time and after that.
Okay.
But if we have the big farm or many module inside, they have many way to produce to maximize the production. So they have to rotation. But for the backyard farm, the small one, they just one crop and finish and the next one.
Okay, but I believe we're focusing on the bigger ones, not in the backyard.
But for the
we are attending customers in both.
Both, because in shrimp farming, it's difficult to get big because just shrimp farming.
Okay, understood. Thank you.
Yeah. So this is the typical.
This is you at the pond.
It's a farmer, and I don't know the farmer here. We have the typical design of the pond, and we call the liner one. You can see all this liner. That means we don't have contact with the soil. The shrimp not contact with the soil. They have the plastic.
With the what? What was that?
The soil. The soil.
The soil. Okay.
They don't contact with the soil. You know, we have the pool with the plastic membrane. That means the PE membrane, the plastic.
The plastic.
Yeah, the shrimp have not contact to the soil. So
soil. What is the meaning of soil?
The soil.
El suelo. La base.
Suelo.
Están aislados.
Yeah.
Okay. They don't touch the soil.
No. Only in liner plastic. Membrane.
Yeah. But they are on top of the plastic.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Before we have, but Latin America now is just earthen pond. That means the soil.
Okay.
But the production, that means the productivity is very low. So if we have the soil and not contact to soil, we will higher the production. So that's why we have also the farmer with the earthen pond, but our focus customer is liner pond. That means the PE pond. And for 20, maybe 10 to 20% of the farm using plastic pond, but the productivity in Vietnam, they take around, I think, 70% for this. So this model, like we call, is intensive production.
Yeah.
So very high stocking density compared to extensive in Latin America. So in this one, the stocking density can up to 300 or per square meter or cubic meter.
Yeah. So for example, what are the meaning of this thing, the pink bubble in here? What is the meaning of this?
Because they stock very high stocking density. So they need the product wheel in the sulfate, in the rye or sulfate, the black one.
Sulfate.
And the sulfate and the pink one is air blower, I think. Air blower, the aeration to supply oxygen to the pond.
Yeah. This is to supply oxygen.
The part of wheel is not enough, so we have to air blower. That means the aeration to supply oxygen.
This is to supply. This is not. No.
This one is paddle wheel. Yes, but if we increase the stoking density, it's not enough oxygen. So they need to below.
Yeah.
Yes, the below one. You can see the paddle wheel, the paddle and also the air blower and the air
Yeah.
race.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay,
So if I
okay, clear.
understand correctly, the one on the wheels on the right hand side, they are to provide supply oxygen for the surface. But when the density is very high, then you have to supply oxygen to the bottom of the pond. Correct?
Just for the paddle wheel, we have to have the two benefit with oxygen is the air and also the current. Make the current.
Okay. Okay. The air and the
And
current. Okay.
make the current, and for the waste collect to the siphon area. You can see in the middle of the pond we have the shrimp toilet or something, a shrimp toilet, and because that they can control the feces matter and the waste in the pond. So that means the water is very clean, as much as possible. So
Okay.
and
So it's yeah.
if you don't have the liner pond, that means the plastic, you cannot do the strong paddle wheel, the strong current, and also the aeration. So that's why we have to have plastic.
But sorry, because I was thinking, or I understood that the water cannot be transparent because shrimp cannot survive if the water is crystalline. So it
Yes.
needs to be a little bit not too clean, you know? Is that correct?
Yes, because the shrimp will be stressful and the line, the line. So
Okay.
in the pond we have some product to
Yeah.
make the color or to bloom the energy controllable. So the energy,
Okay.
the energy controllable in the farm and the pond. So it
Okay.
we have already the solution. Yes.
Okay. So let's start from the shrimp pond
Yeah. Yes.
preparation.
Yeah. We have yes, the shrimp pond preparation. We have cleansing. We have disinfecting, and we dry. That means the empty period or something. We have some with nothing in there to, and it take around 3 to 7 days, and some farmer take also 2 weeks. So yeah, we have clean. You can see the plastic one and many farmer cleansing the PA.
Okay, so they clean the pond, they pump the water from wherever, the river or whatever, and then before to add this, they bring the baby shrimp, they need to treat the water with Aquabosu, Bircon A, or whatever, Pondiplas,
Yes.
Stomy. Okay, okay. So who decides the product to be used, or do they need to use all of them?
No, it's depend on the farm facing what of there, because we
Okay.
have many product focus on many kind of thing. So if we don't have something, you no need to use this one. It's like this something. So we have disinfect. We have kill the beaver. That means the snail or something, this carrier of some disease. So we have mineral supply addition or something. So it's depend.
Okay. Okay. So they clean, and when they have everything under control, they put the baby shrimp into the pond. Okay. Okay. So then we move to the This
It
is
look like that's mean stocking. Stocking. You can see here in some bag, the bags here.
yeah.
That's the baby shrimp, the PL, the shrimp baby inside the bag. So the bag is depend on the distance of the hatchery. They can vary the number, the PL inside, because if far they have less, the farther the lesser. So the baby shrimp in this come to the farm in the bag like this. So they have to acclimate. You can see the acclimate. We
So
have
the baby shrimp are inside of the bags.
yes, inside the bag. So
And sorry, the bags are
yes,
coming from the hatchery.
Yes.
Okay, so this preparation is for the nursery.
Yeah, it's can nursery. If they
Oh.
use the nursery, they have the nursery. If they have the pond direct, that means the stock direct to the pond, they will stock in the pond. So the same with the nursery. So they let the bag floating at the pond too fast because to how to say, the temperature in the trash very low, because to keep the shrimp not
Yeah.
active. So for this to
I understand. So they took
yes.
the bags, the white bags. They have the baby shrimp.
Yes.
So before to move it into the pond, they leave them in the nursery inside of the plastic box.
Yes.
To be acclimatized to the water.
Yes.
And then when they remove the bag, when they
no, the pond, you can see the farmer standing around, right? They put the bag floating on the pond bottom. Sorry, on the surface, and after they can test the temperature different, and if they the same temperature, they can take, because the pond this pond will be stock the shrimp into. That means when we stock in the pond, the first we have to floating the batch for acclimating.
yeah.
Just the temperature set, and then for the baby shrimp out
Yeah.
to the pond.
Okay.
This pond already, this pond, it's not the another pond, just this pond.
Yeah, so we have prepared the pond.
Yes.
With all these products. Then we put the baby shrimp on the bags. They check the temperature of the water, and if the temperature is correct, they remove the baby shrimp.
Yes.
And then they use again these products.
Yes, because we have very stressful shrimp, baby shrimp, because the long distance, very long time in the truck, and when come to the farm, we have stress. So just some kind of product anti-stress, or have the shrimp stronger when they.
Okay.
So you can see this, they acclimate the temperature different from the batch and the pond. And the salinity, because the salinity we have already acclimate, but it like this. When they buy the shrimp, we have to go into the hatchery and tell to the hatchery our water how many salinity, and
Yeah. You need to
already.
Yeah. To be aligned with the salinity and the temperature they have. Okay.
Yes.
So now we have the baby shrimp at the pond. And this is the baby shrimp.
Like this.
Oh.
PL 12, around 1 to 1.2 centimeters.
Okay. And this is the size when they are at the nursery.
In hatchery, yes.
In hatchery. In
hatchery and stocking in the pond, in the nursery pond.
Okay.
Yes.
So now they are
yes.
on the pond.
Yes.
Mm.
So the shrimp eat the sink feed, you know, not like the fish with the floating one. Shrimp eat at the bottom. So we have to check the feed net. We have the feed net because we can see the shrimp eat or not eat. So we have some tool. We can see the feed net or the feed net here. They use the feed net to check if the shrimp eat or not, or eat well, or what happened in the pond.
So,
Yes.
sorry, a question here, Vincent. This small net that we can see on the picture on the very left,
Yes.
is to check if they are eating or not?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So you place the food, you place it there?
Yes.
On the net, and
Yes.
you put them in the pond?
Yeah.
And after that you remove it and you see if they're eating or not?
Yeah, we have the protocol, or the farmer have the protocol for it, because after we feed the shrimp, and after 15 minutes or 20 minutes, they take the net and they put the feed inside the net and left there. So they count the minute when the net end off out of the feed, that means over the feed. So they take that. If below, for example, if below 20 or 40 minutes, just the number, they will increase the shrimp, increase the feed amount. So they have the tool to check the shrimp eat well, or increase or reduce the feed in the next day, or in the next
So you
feeding.
test by that net, you test if they need less or more.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you just check one net.
We have the standard for this. We have the standard, and normally the farmer has standard. It depends on the density and also the square of the square of the surface of the
so
pond.
you use one net just to check, but the food is
Yes,
around the pond.
Yes.
Because they walk. No?
Yeah,
Yes,
it's like a test. Yeah, it's like a testing place. So there, so it's like the way to test.
Okay, and if you see that they are not eating properly, you add these nutritional treatments. Or do we use them even if they eat or they don't eat?
For nutrition supply, we have many products for this, for the shrimp. But for checking shrimp not eat or not eat, it many things involved. Water quality or disease or something. It's not just the feed or nutrition.
Okay, I think we are out of the time. I don't know if you have more time to follow, to continue.
For me, it's okay, because it's okay.
Okay, we really appreciate it, because it's important for us to understand.
Maybe I will go fast if you don't have time. Okay.
No, I have time.
And
you, Pelayo?
I'm okay too. It would be interesting if we can go, if you can, we can move forward.
Water management.
And then we can exchange these so we can ask further questions.
Yeah. Water management.
Yeah, water management is come from the beginning, very beginning, before the shrimp baby come. We have the protocol to treat the water from the river or something, come to the pond, have no disease or no pathogen. So we have to manage water quality for physically, chemical aspect, and also biology aspect. So for the standard, we have to control the pH and the optimal salinity. Here you can see 10 to 25 is optimal. But the shrimp can very wide.
So this is before you place the baby shrimp in the pond.
Yes, before, and we have to control during the crop also. It's not just
okay.
just only the beginning.
Yeah, you
So
do during the crop. You just check that everything is all right concerning pH, salinity,
Yes,
oxygen, alkalinity, etc.
Yes, for pH we have to test to check 2 times per day, because in the morning
2
or in
times
the
per
afternoon,
day.
because they depend on the NG. The salinity just 1 per week, or when we water exchange, oxygen have to at night or day, and salinity just 1 per week, or like the salinity, because we water exchange, because the water is not stable. They have to exchange the water. Yeah.
How do you check these parameters?
Some parameter we have the meter, the digital one. Some we have the test kit with the gutte, some drop of water and colorant or something. So we have.
Okay.
But the farmer in Vietnam, they do every day for this. It's very familiar.
Okay. They know. Okay.
Daily routine task is okay. Yeah.
Now we start with the rock and roll. When the shrimp is not healthy, and we have diseases.
In Vietnam, or we have some technical services to health
To
assessment.
control.
Health assessment,
and to assess.
Health assessment, or by microscope, or many things we can, because by naked eyes it's very difficult to see. But when we have the microscope, we can deep dive and focus on what truly happened in the pond or with the shrimp health. So we have also the services for this.
So if, for example, one of these, I think is the demo farms, correct?
Demo farm is no, demo farm is
okay. Forget about demo farm. So imagine that you are visiting a farm and you start checking.
Yes.
And you see that they have a white spot, I think it's coming in shrimp or whatever.
Yeah.
And what do you do if you see that there are diseases?
Like you meet the doctor, something like this. After we check with the microscope or something, we have some notes or some recommendation for the farmer, and have to treat with something, and we have the appointment next week, or in 3 days, 5 days, I will come back to retest for you. This is the basic technical support for the farmer. But for Vietnam, we have to prevent. We have if we have the farmer almost to prevent it, not treat, because with the shrimp the successful rate for treat it's so low. It's fail often. So the best is prevention. So
prevention.
Yeah, we develop the package or solution, just prevention.
Prevention is the best for every single disease in human, shrimp, and everyone. So what can we do in order to prevent? Do test or do check control more frequently?
For prevent, we have we develop the protocol for this, because water treatment. What we have to do with water treatment to kill the pathogen before entering the shrimp, the pond. So in the pond, we have the protocol for regularly disinfectant in the pond, and also control the pathogen with the probiotic, with the disinfect regularly in the pond also. So we have the solution and protocol for this.
And Vincent, do you have this? Sorry to interrupt. Do you have this protocol?
We have the protocol. We have the protocol for this, but I don't know we have in English, but we
No,
have.
no, no. Even if you have it in Vietnamese, because I think
Yes, we have.
we could just, Pelagia, I think we should add the protocol to prevent diseases as well.
Yes, we have.
Even if in Vietnamese, we can just translate it. And of course, all the information that we are creating needs to be approved in Viva Promo Mats. So every single word we are going to say will be approved. But I think it's really good to add prevention as well. To be honest, I think that we were not doing this, but I think it's really good. Thank you.
We have the protocol for water treatment, for water for microbial or bacteria control in the pond. And so you mentioned demo farm. So demo farm is our team that demonstrates our protocol, our package solution to the farmer. So the farm is of the farmer, but they apply on the protocol of MSD. And we have the demo farm staff at the farm to control the apply MSD. So we have the demo farm for this. For it depends almost for the full crop from the beginning, water prepare, water treatment, and end of the crop. So we have the demo farm like this. So the farm, yes.
And these pictures are good or bad?
This picture is not good, not so good.
Not good.
Not good, not good. This the I think technician check the shrimp health for this, and the below is not good at all. The shrimp head, the clock, their gill, it gill, so it's not good. And for the flood, the farm here is not good at all. So the water quality not good, and also this one, the shrimp is not good.
Okay, so everything in this picture is very bad.
Bad, yes, very bad.
Okay.
You can see the shrimp. It's very stressful and
how can you see that it's stressful?
Okay. We have the meat or the flesh when the shrimp healthy. You can see the shell is very, how to say, the smooth, very smooth, it's shining, very shining.
Okay.
And the flesh is very how to say, fresh, not opaque like this. Yeah, you can see.
Okay.
Many signs.
Yeah.
So just some idea. Yeah.
Sorry, I am completely not aware about everything. So for me,
Yeah.
I have seen all of them frozen. So in my life.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. So let's move to next one. And this is harvesting.
So harvest. They harvest 3 to 4 months on the crop, right? So the size depend up to 20 cow. That means 50 gram per shrimp. Very big one. And the tendency of Vietnamese now, they want to the big size because they have more production, they have high price. So double benefit. If we can rise to the big size, we have more production, and the price of 1 kilo is very high. So it's the dependent of the farmer now.
Okay. And what do you to harvest? How can we collect all of them?
They have the net. You know, they have the net because
on the
the
floor.
The net, how to say?
The net.
The net, because you can see in the pond we have the pattern wheel, we have the aerator, but when we harvest, we take off on or a half first, because
so you remove all things.
remove or a half or on, because if we remove all, maybe the lack of oxygen. So they remove a half. They have the net to how to say a net. I don't know how to say, but with the net.
Yeah. You took the net, one part, the half,
Yes.
and
Maybe
they die.
no die. It they have two kind of market. I don't know, but in Vietnam we had the market live stream. So that means they have
live
the
stream,
is
yeah.
live. Go to the market, still live. And but not so much because it's a local market. And the rest one is go to the processing plant. So they have to.
But we from the grow out, they sell the shrimp live, even the local or maybe for the processing plant, but they arrive alive.
When harvest, yes, still alive on. But for go to the processing plant, they have to how to say leave to the eye, very cold one to
no, I prefer not to know. Don't know.
Yeah. So for the lice, they have with the water also and aerator and go to the market and like this, because the film is very sensitive. If they die just 5 minutes or 1 hour, everything is spoiled. Everything is.
No.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is everything I have for this introduction slide. So now we can ask more questions. Pelayo?
Well, one very, very important thing that we need to know and be aware of is that we need to get familiar with all the products and treatments that MSD has for the whole process from egg to process plant or selling alive. So to understand, because we are, okay, well, my job to be done is to introduce the shrimp farming and at the same time introduce that MSD can guide you and accompany you through the whole processes. Okay.
Yeah, but sorry, let me just do one comment. The thing is that we don't have all the products available in all the countries.
Okay.
This is the only question. So maybe we should refer to nutritionals, disinfectants, blah, 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 blah. We can give examples and we can ask a sentence. Ask to your MSD supplier, or distributor partner for the solutions available at your country, because Vietnam has everything as China, but Thailand, South Korea, they don't. So what we cannot say is if you don't have 5 products, forget it.
Yeah, understand. Yeah, understood.
So, but maybe we can put examples or name the nutritionals, blah, 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 and we can add at the end, maybe so we are going to have available a website with the products by country. So maybe customers, they can check, but we cannot say all the portfolio because it's not for all the countries. But we can talk about minerals, disinfectants. But for me, what I don't really understand is the products that we use in each process. For example, we use disinfectants only at the beginning, or we use disinfectants at the nursery, at the pond, for the full process? Or it depends?
In Vietnam we have two kinds. We have also for water treatment in the beginning for the water, and also for biosecurity during the pond and during the crop. That means even they have the shrimp inside the pond, we have already desinfect to reduce the pathogen concentration or something. So we have.
So for example, when you are working with the farms or when you are visiting the farms, how do you train people? How do you explain things to people? Just you explaining things, or which materials do you normally use?
How to say? It's depend on case by case, but almost we have the seminar to training them how to use the product, at level from the beginning, and after that, when we visit to the farm, explain how they work and how to improve the situation or something. But almost for the beginning or for we have many seminar to
Okay. And these seminars, do you have presentations or something that you use for these seminars?
Yes, we have. Yes, we have.
Okay. And will it be possible for you to send this to me, these presentations or whatever?
Because it, how to say, we can send, but how to say it because the seminar it depend on the situation, that in the disease or the mineral or something. But I will try to send to you how we can yes, like we can. And we have also the package solution. That means what the treatment, how to do, mineral, how to treat, for biotic, how to apply. I think we have also. You can chat with Mr. Nghĩa, or email to Nghĩa. He can send to you, because it's in the demo farm we have all the protocol from the.
So sorry, to who should I contact?
To Tom. Yeah.
Your boss?
Yes.
I'm terrible. Your boss. So
yes.
Won. I'm called him Won, but it's not correct. It's
no, it's the yeah. Tom. Yes, Tom.
Tom. Tom.
Yes. My boss.
Ground control to Major Tom.
Yes.
Tom, but I call them. Okay. Yeah. I will ask him. Okay. Okay. I will ask him, because everything we have will help us to build this project. Okay. So
for this level, just like you mentioned, just the package. That means with this we have to mineral supply or biotic or biosecurity or because in Vietnam we have a full portfolio, but I know in some countries very less. It's not full, just some very few.
Okay. So Vincent, it would be possible, because now with all of this information, we need to start building the lesson 1 and lesson 2, but we didn't cover lesson 2, Pelayo. Because you wanted.
Yeah, I've got here maybe we can arrange another meeting.
Is what I'm going to ask. Will it be possible for us to meet again another day when you are available, Vincent?
When what would you like? When would you like?
When you want. Let us know when are you available.
I'm okay for this. Just
when will you be available?
Next week I have a few trips, but if you have the time like this, because this time slot is how to say it, 7 p.m. in Vietnam, so it's okay for me every day. Even I go few trip, because next week I have a few trip. And
so it's okay for you if we meet again this week, maybe Wednesday or Thursday?
Wednesday,
Today's
Thursday, we
Tuesday.
have a meeting.
Ah, okay.
And distributor meeting tomorrow and the
Okay.
day after. So
Okay.
May I suggest one thing? Okay, I'm going to share my screen. Okay,
Yes.
So we spoke about lesson 1, but concerning lesson 2, we have developed with the, of course, this is the format, okay, of the script. So here we've got the audio, the importance of malting for production and growth. So it could be a good idea. It may be a good idea if we can share this to you so you can revise it, you get familiar to it, and maybe in the next meeting, you can help us providing some information to fill the blanks here concerning images, pictures, videos, and maybe just spoken suggestions for us to find in the stock market pics and videos. How do you feel about that, Vincent?
Yes, I okay for this. But I see this is to say it very a little bit academic, right?
Yes.
Academic. So I suggest that can we have Mata? Can we have Crete, because I know Crete is so,
yeah, Crete.
so,
Yeah, Crete.
so
Crete is in India, but yeah,
Okay.
the thing is that we have been recording several videos in Vietnam that your boss has been helping me, and they are going to transfer these videos because they have out of resolution and I cannot download it into my computer. So they are going to do a transfer to our agency. I don't know, Pelayo, when are you going to receive them? So then we will have a lot of videos, but then maybe we can organize another call with Crete, or maybe with Crete and yourself, maybe after next week. You said that you are out.
Next week,
yeah, but he said that at this time of the day, it's okay for him. Maybe next week, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday.
Let me send an invite, and if you feel that is not the best time for you, send me a proposal. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
This time I think it's okay. Even I feel trip because it's 7 p.m. We finish.
Yeah,
so
but I think
okay.
I really appreciate it, but I think now it's almost 8 for you and it's too late. So we need also to understand that you cannot be working, a lot after your time. So okay. So Pelayo, do you have any final question? Maybe we can just send emails or whatever if needed.
No, I would like to process all this information and put it aside or put it together with the PowerPoint that you've shared that I already have that. So maybe we can start writing